Marks between the panes of glass. This is our dining room picture window. Yeah. Really disturbing. This is the entire window, looking out our picture window in the dining room. As you can see, it's a hazy, bright day in advance of the atmospheric river continuing tomorrow. I'm about 8 feet away from the window, shooting video, and you can see the streaks. Sun isn't full bright, but it's enough to illuminate the marks that are in between the panes of glass. And of course, it's influenced by the background behind that. The more dark the background is, the more obvious. So yeah, on a really bright sunny day from extreme angles, this is not acceptable. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here. You can see it pretty good. It's almost like a spring day.
It feels like it.
Wow. Sadly, the snow's melting on the mountains. Bye-bye, window. Well, there's the view without a window. I'm really impressed with the frame of this window.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
It makes it relatively easy to replace. Not that I would ever do it.
That's a lot. Take some time.
It does. Getting ready to install the new glass. And here it comes. Stand back. I think they need to come inside. I should have latched the door open for you, sorry.
Am I getting any squeeze on the corner? I'll pull it up.
This table and under the other table.
A little adjustment here.
Testimony.
I'm sorry, what?
Sky. Well, the film is still on the window, so that will be removed, of course. Not recording the entire process because it's not all that exciting. Sky is not too excited. We did take her for a walk, but only 1.25 miles. Some precision caulk trimming.
Yep.
Precision.
It's almost like a spring day.
Yes, feels like it.
Wow. Sadly, the snow's melting on the mountains. There is quite a process to this.
Yeah, it's an easy one, but it's a process.
When it's all said and done, of course, I'm going to get out the squeegee and the and my mixture of white vinegar and water, about 30% white vinegar, a little dash of Dawn dish soap to let the squeegee slide easily, and
Yeah,
works really good.
good.
I'm not sure what's going on with that gray blobs, but I think it's excess caulk when they were putting it on, just to get it out of the way. The reveal. Does this generate static electricity?
Yes.
Now that was the fun part. All we have left to do is remove the film from the inside of the window. Oh, I wanted that label.
Oh, you did?
Just kidding.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Voila. Very nice.
No need to even clean. It looks perfect.
Yeah, I like to rub around this edge because this is the edges that have the most stuff on it, like right here.
That's the, what do you call that? Dry eraser? Or?
Yeah.
Huh.
The magic eraser.
Magic.
Very easy to wipe the glass with.
Wow. I can tell already, Diane, the quality of this is superior.
Oh yeah, this windows are